Hey guys, Matt here. Today's adventure is going to be a little bit different than I'm used to. I'm exploring some cool different areas. I'm over in Pennsylvania in Venango County, and I'm in Rockland Township near Kennerdale, Pennsylvania. And I'm here at the Rockland Woodhill Tunnel. It used to be an old railroad track tunnel for the Allegheny Railway back in the late 1800s, and it used to have a 4-mile loop around here, but it had a lot of turns and they had problems with landslides and floods, so they decided to build this in the early 1900s. I think it's about half mile or so, and it's a lot straighter, so because they used this in the early days to carry the oil out of this the oil valley here. And then I think it was around the 60s or so that they quit using it, and then I think it was around 2003 they turned it into like a rail trail for hiking and biking. So we're gonna go walk through this and do a little bit of stuff like that, and then there's a few other places that I'm gonna check out. So all right guys, I'll get back with you in a little bit. Here we have Freedom Falls, waterfall about less than a half mile up from the Rockland Tunnel along the Rockland Station Road. Kind of off the road, so you can't really notice it when you're driving past. And then just down from me is the Rockland Furnace. We'll head there next. Here we have Rockland Furnace. It's along Shoals Run, and it was completed by William Craig back in 1818. Later on, he added a sawmill and eventually a mill to grind local ore for the production of paint. During the same period, they found there was good iron ore further upstream. So they began iron production in 1832 and continued through 1854. View from up above. See, it's been pretty well worn after all these years. A lot of tree growth and stuff like that around it. Hey guys, Matt here. Well, I made it back. It was a really nice trip. The Rockland Tunnel was real cool. Kind of spooky when I first went through because it was still kind of cool and cloudy. Then with the other end of the tunnel has a slight turn. You can't see the light when you're going through half of it. And then the other end there was kind of some waterfall leaks inside that end of the tunnel. And I walked a little bit down the bike path down by Mill Creek, the old Mill Creek Bridge, where the train used to cross there, and then came back. And then up from where I parked, it was the Freedom Falls and then the Rockland Furnace. So that was real nice, stuff like that. So got some good video and it was real nice views and everything. It was real nice. And then just walk back here to the car. So this was in Rockland Township in Venango County, Pennsylvania, here with seeing the Rockland Tunnel and the Freedom Falls and Rockland Furnace. So, well, as always, I thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, I'd sure love it to hit the like button for me. If you have anything for me, just let me down below in the comments. I'll make sure to get back to you. Well, listen, Matt signing off. I'll see you next time. All right, thanks, guys.